Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams. The Phase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi product BAM. And the OMBAR dash cam product BA. And the OMBAR. We'll be comparing these two dash cams based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in. The Phase dash cam boasts a 2K+1080P front and rear camera, capturing every angle in crystal clear detail. Meanwhile, the OMBAR dash cam takes it up a notch with a UHD 4K front camera and FHD 1080p rear camera. That's some serious resolution right there. The Phase dash cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and sharing of footage. On the other hand, the OMBAR dash cam offers built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and an app for easy control and viewing. Both the Phase dash cam and the OMBAR dash cam have impressive night vision capabilities. They both utilize advanced technology to ensure clear footage, even in low-light conditions. Both the Phase dash cam and the OMBAR dash cam offer a compact and easy-to-install design, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. The Phase dash cam is priced at $119 and includes a 64GB SD card, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the OMBAR dash cam is priced at $199 and offers some premium features. Based on online reviews, customers of the Phase dash cam for its excellent video quality, performance, and user-friendly app. It is considered a great value for the price. On the other hand, the OMBAR dash cam is highly recommended for its exceptional performance, reliability, and ease of use. Customers appreciate its crystal-clear 4K resolution footage and wide-angle lens. Both dash cams have received positive feedback from customers. And that concludes our comparison between the Phase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi product A and the OMBAR dash cam product BIM. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, letting us know which dash cam you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description. Stay smart and buy smart.